In this video I am going to walk you through 3 different styles of thinking. 1. Head, that is logic. 2. Heart, that is emotions. 3. Impulse. After going through different styles of thinking, we will also be doing a compatibility check between different style of writers. To watch all this, stay tuned till end. There are chances that you may have single trait in handwriting or could have mixture of 2 or 3 traits in handwriting. The head or the logical thinking shows when the handwriting is straight without any slant. This type of person is someone who considers logic and practical thinking while any decision making. The upside of this is they have very practical approach towards any situation, so they are good in problem solving. Downside of this situation is they can at times come across as dry or feelingless individuals. The heart person can be recognized by slight to moderate right slant in handwriting. These type of persons will take decision on the basis of what they feel and not what they think. Advantage of this writer is they come across as comfy and concerned person, and disadvantage is at times their decision are not aligned with their own best interests. Next comes recognizing impulse writer with graphology. This type of writer is someone who is completely under the control of their own emotions. This may happen few times or most of the times. But in both the cases they will only look and jump and not think much. There is only disadvantage for this type of writer, as impulse can only be good by luck. Trait of impulse personality in graphology is seen when a writer writes with very far right slant, and there are high chances that they have heavy pen pressure too. So basically it's a extended form of heart writer without having its benefits. If someone has more than one type of thinking trait showing in handwriting, that means that writer reacts differently in different situations. Now time for compatibility check. Head thinker and heart thinker are both compatible with their same type ones. But to handle impulse better, you need to be cool and calm as logical thinkers and also be able to understand emotions. So you need to have combination of both head and heart in your handwriting to able to be more compatible with impulse thinkers. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, because you're doing that motivates me even more to make better videos for you. Thank you.